JJLEE squad, what is up, bro? I almost forgot my little intro. How y'all doing, man? I know it's been a minute. It's been a minute. I've still been uploading shorts just to get the little channel out there a little bit more, but you know. But hello, I got a lot of updates, man. Y'all can still see I'm in the Charger, so regular, but a lot of different changes have happened to the Charger. That's why when I start on the inside of some changes, I think it's just like one change on the inside. Of course, you already know, custom interior seat, shout out to them. But yeah, I just wanted to get upload a little video. It kind of got my spirits back up because yesterday I was out at Subway, had a mom and a couple of subscribers and her 2 kids. Love the car, sat in the car, took pictures, said they follow me, and they gave me like a little, dang, bro, I need to upload, I need to get back on the grind and show y'all what I can do, bro. But yeah, so I just want to go ahead and get out this little update video, and let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna turn this camera around. Bam, changed up the steering wheel, got this custom made from eBay, bro. eBay. Look at this. And then at first I was just gonna go with the white one, you know what I'm saying? But the seller ended up asking me how would I like it made, and I was like, bro, this is a W. Listing price was 600 something. Sent off for $325 and they accepted it. I said, that ain't nothing but God. Like I said, y'all know my colors are red, black, and white. Of course, bam, y'all can see. Got the white stitching, white leather on the left, red on the right. Go right here, paddle shifter. Big, aggressive, clean carbon. Red plus sign, white minus sign. Little white decal for the airbag. I had it red, but it looked better than white because I got the red SRT power. So bam, that's pretty much it for the inside, man. Excuse my backpack, everything clean. But yeah, that's it for the inside. So let's go ahead and go to the outside, man. Let's go to the outside. You can ignore the dirt. It's been windy, cold, and everything. So, but here's the outside update. One of the outside updates. New full carbon hood. I forgot. Yeah, it's called a Terminator hood, bro. Terminator hood. It's kind of like the Hellcat and the Viper hood into one, pretty much. So nice, chill, full carbon. I got rid of the Demon hood. It was fiberglass. It was bending a little bit, and I just wanted something new because y'all know the car was down for 8 months, and that was the hood I had to rush by because the second dude was talking about, oh, he was gonna finish the car fast, so he needed to hurry by a hood. So I rushed by the Demon hood. Demon hood looked good, but it just kind of held too many bad memories, so I wanted to change it up. So I ended up getting a full carbon hood. Like I said, ignore the dirt, man, please. I'm finna clean it right now. I don't even care if it's 50 degrees. But next update, bam. Got the half red and half white wheels. With the red, be different tire stickers on the white side, and the white Cerberus 392 on the red side. Now, I did the wheels myself. This is the second time I did the wheels. I had them all white, clean, crispy. Did it in the backyard, perfect. But like I said, that is of course to match the calipers and my colors. But this is, I think, is Rust-Oleum spray vinyl wrap. It's like a spray wrap paint. So y'all know the wheels are originally gloss black. I can take this, just peel this off, bro, and bam, you know, it's back gloss black. But one, I think I'm the first one, don't quote me, to have half and half wheels, bro. Half color wheels. And I did that all myself, bro. I love the wheels. People love the wheels. They just make them look, they when it's I took some rollers, bro. Shout out to Night Photography, bro. It looks so good with the red and white spinning. Can actually get it. But like I said, man, did it all myself. Did it inside the barrels, red. Go on this side, it's the white. And I love it, bro. You already know. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. I post kind of daily on there. Subscribe. But that's the update on the wheels. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Wheels, tire stickers, bam boom. You already know about the headlights. This is spray wrap paint too. Did it myself. Took the cover off. Sprayed that. Did the fin recently. Go over here. Little carbon cover. Did the I got rid of the wicker bill that I made myself. I just wanted to go clean. Carbon spoiling. Had to drill in the trunk a little bit because of course I have to mark it, but there you go on that. Got the Lux Auto Concepts carbon because I got the carbon spoiler, carbon, then a carbon hood. So yeah, that's how we looking, man. This how the baby's been looking. How y'all like that, bro? Come on, sitting aggressive. Now, the biggest update I think I got it at the end of December, November type. But the biggest update, I'm gonna turn it around real quick, is I got a daily now. So I won't be putting miles on the charger so much. So let me go turn the camera on. Like I said, I got a lot of updates. I've been grinding. Turn the camera around. Say hello to my 2016 Kia Optima. This is my new daily. So y'all never know which car will be in, man. I forgot to grab the key, but I'll show y'all the inside later. This is just a quick little update video. Then I'm gonna give a little tour of the daily on the inside and out stuff. But like I said, this is the new baby, man. So I won't be putting miles on here. The charger it just hit 34K miles, bro. And I had the charger for 4 years now, bro. So this baby's doing good. So I was like, man, ever since my car was down for the 8 months, I was like, I gotta have a second car. I was buying rides, bro. At one point, I didn't know if I was gonna get to work. So I was like, you know what? Stay down, grind, save, focus. Bam. Somehow got it from Carvana. Yeah, it was a rental car too. So that's what I'm saying. I'm happy with this baby. I love it. It's black. Of course, I already got some wheels for it. Haven't ordered yet, but I know I'm gonna just keep it black, add a little hint of red, probably delete the chrome a little bit, but like it's gonna be clean. Tinted tail lights. I've been focused on the charger a lot more with the different ideas, but don't worry, I'm gonna hook this baby up. But like I said, man, this is the new daily. So hey, 28, 2 cars, no kids, nice home, and I'm just happy, bro. I really am, to tell you the truth. So all I can do really is thank my family and the man upstairs, bro. I can do stuff like this. This is just all me grinding, staying focused, and just not really giving up, bro. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Not really giving up no matter what happened. Y'all know what happened with the car. It just made me feel like trash, but I got it back. It's looking 10 times better. It got me in the hands of the right people. It set my mind straight, bro, to grind and to never need nobody help ever again. Bam. Like I said, this is my Kia. This is my charger. So there we go. Hope y'all like that little quick update video, man. I'm gonna go ahead and really wash both of these cars, honestly, because they're filthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash both of these cars, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the update. I will get back to uploading. Like I said, the next video will probably be a tour of the daily or something like that. But I do want to try to get different videos out, like a driving video, driving vlog, or something like that. So don't worry. It's just a little quick update video. So I'm gonna go ahead, get out here, man. Y'all have a blessed day. Remember, always thank God. Stay down, stay positive, never give up. Remember to always, bro, I'm gonna say this at the end of every video. Remember to always be different. Don't let nobody change your outlook on life just because they want to judge you. Be different. It's better to be different than to be like anybody else. So, peace.